Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. I am Manju here. I am going to share in this video is to how to fetch or how to retrieve first two records and last two records in one single SQL query in Oracle. So this will be a most interesting video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel SQL Master YouTube channel to get more videos about SQL, Oracle and ETL testing subjects. So I am going to show you here in this video how you can fetch the first two records and the last two records using only one single query. Okay, so this already question will be asked by one of my subscriber, or don't know, one person commented me, can you share me the thing that how we can going to fetch first two records and last two records using single query, because already in my previous video I made video on how to find the first and last record in single SQL query. So maybe that girl asked how to find the first two records and last two records in single SQL query in Oracle. So I made this video, so it will be more interesting. So let's move to the software. So this is what I'm using here, Pop SQL. It is already integrated with Oracle 11G. So this is what my table here. So employees table, and these are my records: employee ID, first name, last name, and these are my records here. These are up to 206 or 207. Okay, so here you can observe the things. Okay, employee ID starting from 100 to last one is here. This is up to 206. Okay, you can 119, and that goes up to 206. Okay, so this is what the thing here, and I am going to show you here from this table first two records. Okay, so I think I will be moving to previous one. So here you can observe the things, first two records, and how you can going to fetch the 205 and 206 records. Okay, only first two records and last two records. So let us observe the things carefully. I am going to write the query here. Just see here, select start from, within parenthesis select dense rank. I am using here dense rank function. Dense rank, open close parenthesis, it's followed by the OR clause, and here open parenthesis, and here order by employees, employee ID. Okay, and here R and K as alias, comma E dot start, because to stick to the one particular column. From, just I drag here because that's not visible properly. So from employees E. Okay, so where I have to put here where condition, where R and K is less than or equal to 2, and here I am using union all, and below I can write again the query here, select start from, and within parenthesis select dense rank, dense underscore rank, open close parenthesis, OR clause is following here, and open parenthesis order by employee underscore ID DESC. I am using here DESC for second query. So within that one query I am using DESC for employee ID. Okay, descending order pattern. So here I didn't use any of the things, because by default it is ascending order pattern. Okay, so here I use descending, where as R and K, comma E dot star, to stick to the particular column, from employees E, here I put condition where R and K is less than or equal to 2. So this is what the query goes like this. Later I explain this query. Okay, so first we execute this one, so whether we are getting output or not. So run this one. So it's running here. and absolutely we got the output result. So 100th and 101 first two records, and 205 and 206 last two records are fetched here. So you can see here. So this is what the result we got here. So this is what the thing, how to fetch the first two records and the last two records in one single query. So let us explain this query here. So select star from, because we are selecting all the data from the table, and here inner query will get executed first. The select dense rank, we are using dense rank function over clause and order by employee ID. Okay, so because to display the things, the records using order by employee ID, rnk alias comma e dot star to stick to the particular column in table from employees e, where condition we are putting here, where rank is less than or equal to 2, because I didn't use here descending order, because by default it is ascending order, means first record and then it displays second record in ascending order pattern. So where condition rnk is less than or equal to 2, up to 2 it's displaying, and I used here the set operator union all. So the second step is select star from, we are selecting all the data here, and select dense rank and the over clause followed by order by employee ID. I used here DESC, descending order pattern, as alias rnk e dot star from employees e, where the same thing here, rnk is less than or equal to 2. So union all, what it does, union all from first select query, the output result of first select query it will display, and below that result it will display the second select query result set. So this is what the union all function. So it doesn't remove any of the duplicates, and it doesn't arrange in ascending order pattern. Okay, union all. So this is how you can execute the things here to retrieve the first two records and last two records in single SQL query in Oracle. So I hope that you understood this concept, understood this query properly. So to know more things, more queries and more videos, kindly one of my kind request is to subscribe to my channel, SQL Master YouTube channel. So this is only one request from my side. Hope I will be with you in my next video with some more queries or concepts. So if you have in your mind new queries, okay, so just comment me in comment box, so I will try to make video on that. Okay, so that's more better to learn the things properly. So okay, fine, thank you. We will meet in next video. Bye, take care.